Good evening, everyone. This is Dr. Stuti Pade with you, and once again, lovely to connect with each one of you. First of all, I want to say that I am actually thankful for so much love, support that you all have given to my channel, and the subscribership has increased, and with time I'm sure that I'm going to get, or we are going to get, a lot of love and support, because we really look forward to bringing fruitful videos. So I'm here for we are here actually for a reason, and today we are going to talk about membership plan that we have introduced for your sake. Okay, and because due to corona now everything is very much digital, and we wanted to be sure that we reach ourselves around the globe, that we help people who are in need, and that we actually are there, in support of you, and especially when it is connected with your emotional health or mental health. And additionally, because I am a naturopath, we are also going to help you with not only your emotional issues or mental issues, but also the holistic. We are going to approach every intervention with a holistic approach. So whereby we are going to also help you with certain diet and nutrition, which is important for your emotional and physical health. So also I would like to add on that we are aiming to give you the maximum benefit that we can, and that is what our point is. So the membership plan, we have a yearly membership and we have a half yearly membership. And membership is to save your money actually, because it's very nowadays people are struggling a lot financially, and that's the reason why I decided that with membership I can give you the maximum benefits. So we have a yearly membership for the working professionals. It's going to be 14,999 rupees. This can be converted into dollars and pounds and other currencies, because we are not limiting it to only helping patients in India but all over the globe. And in this membership we give you the benefits, which includes 15 sessions are free. You will be getting psychotherapeutic sessions, which includes cognitive behavioral therapy, or gestalt therapy, a little bit of NLP. I'm a person, a very creative person, so all my therapies are more or less combined, and they are need basis, so they are based on the need of my patients. So I custom make a plan, an intervention plan, which is suited for every patient according to their need. We also include professional sessions in that, which includes assertiveness training, confidence building training, stress management sessions, and etc. We are also going to give you a nutrition and diet, a lifestyle which can help your emotional and physical health. So that is included in it as well. It also includes sound therapy. Sound therapy is an evidence-based therapy, because it programs your subconscious mind, and there are certain frequencies and subliminal affirmations which are custom made, again based on the needs of the patient. So that is complementary. We are also going to additionally provide any resources, so whether it is article based or anything that can help you further in improving your emotional and physical health. So that's the yearly plan. Now the difference between the yearly plan and the half yearly plan is there is a little bit of difference. So with the 6 months plan, which is which cost around 7,500, this is again for the working professionals. I'm sorry, the yearly plan for the students is going to be 12,000 rupees. Okay, and it will include all the benefits as I listed previously. The half yearly 7,500 for the working professionals, which will include 6 free sessions. It will include sessions, again they are therapeutic. Then we are going to give you career advancement training sessions for whoever needs it and requires. Diet and nutrition again is going to be included in that, a lifestyle for you to follow for both your emotional and physical health. And we are also going to help you with extra resources in this. All right, so 6 sessions are going to be free. There is going to be career advancement sessions, and then you would have nutrition and diet lifestyle program and extra resources as required. And for the students, the half yearly cost is rupees 5,000. Okay, for 6 months is going to be 5,000 rupees. This cost is applicable for all over the globe, for whoever is watching my video and would really need sessions and are looking for to save money. This you can take my membership plan if you wish to, if you feel connected, if you feel that I can connect with this doctor, and please go ahead. I am going to you are going to see this plan in between, and towards the end again I will give a snapshot of it. Shruti, you all know who Shruti is. She is going to explain this program in Hindi, so I hand over this to her.
Good evening all. My name is Shruti and I am a student of psychology. So जैसे कि मैम ने बताया है, ये मेंबरशिप प्रोग्राम हम लोग क्रिएट कर रहे हैं. इस मेंबरशिप में जो ईयरली मेंबरशिप है वो आप लोगों की रहेगी 4990 फॉर ओनली प्रोफेशनल्स, जिसमें आप लोगों को बहुत सारे सेशंस 6 सेशंस जो आपके होंगे वो आपके फ्री होंगे. और उसके बाद आप लोगों को इस सेशंस में मतलब इस मेंबरशिप में हम लोग इंक्लूड करेंगे जितने भी थेरेपीज़ वगैरह होंगी और हमारी माइंड प्रोग्रामिंग होगी, ये सब. और स्टूडेंट्स के लिए ये सेशन 12,000 का है एंड ये है ईयरली. और जो हमारा 6 मंथ्स सेशन है वो हमारा रहेगा 7,500 का, और वो स्टूडेंट्स के लिए है 5,000 का, जिसमें कि हम लोग को 6 सेशंस फ्री मिलेंगे. उसके बाद जो मिनिमम कॉस्ट है वो हम लोग वो होगी. और उसमें आप लोगों को बहुत सारी चीज़ें हम लोगों ने, जैसे मैम ने बताया, बहुत सारी चीज़ें उसमें इंक्लूड है. थेरेपीज़ है, पूरा माइंड प्रोग्रामिंग है, साउंड थेरेपी है, और भी जो होगा. सो
yes, so I really hope that ये membership plan, this membership plan is understood, and I hope to see you all enrolled, whoever is interested. I want to add one more thing, that don't see this as that you are mentally disturbed or as it is stigmatized. It is stigmatized, and people feel I am not crazy or I am not mad to take professional help. This is not about that. This is about having a professional mentor in your life to guide you, to advise you wherever it's required, and more than anything to show you a mirror to your own life and to help you succeed, to help you find the purpose of your own life. We all have purpose for why we came on this earth, and 90% of people may say, I don't know what's the purpose, I only know that I'm supposed to do this. So this is a purpose driven life, and all we do is, as a mentor, as a guide, we walk along with you in your life journey to help you find that purpose, to help you be focused on it, and to be a winner, to have a winning mindset. तो हमारा जो उद्देश्य है यहाँ पे, बहुत लोग इस चीज़ को ऐसा मानते हैं कि क्या मैं पागल हूँ कि मैं एक साइकोलॉजिस्ट या एक मेंटल हेल्थ थेरेपिस्ट की मदद लूँ. नहीं, यहाँ पे वो वाली बात नहीं है. यहाँ पे ये वाली बात है कि आपके लाइफ में एक प्रोफेशनल पर्सन आपके लाइफ की जर्नी में होगा, जो आपके साथ चलेंगे, जो आपकी सुनेंगे, जो आपको मदद करेंगे, गाइड करेंगे, जहाँ जहाँ ज़रूरत है वहाँ गाइड करेंगे, वो आपको आपके लाइफ का उद्देश्य समझने में सहायता करेंगे और आपको वो अचीव करने में जो उद्देश्य है उसको अचीव करने में मदद करेंगे। तो सेशंस लेने से आपको ये मदद होगी कि यस, कोई तो है जो मेरी सुन सकता है विदाउट जजमेंट, है ना, किसी जजमेंट के बिना, कि कोई है जो मेरी लाइफ के पर्पस को समझेगा, वो चाहे कुछ भी हो, राइट। तो दैट इज़ व्हाट आई वांट टू रियली क्लियर हियर. I hope we have made it very clear, and I hope to help you all. We hope to help you all. So take care, God bless you, and have a great evening ahead, and we'll connect with you soon. Bye bye for now. Take